Good morning. I'm still your instructor, but today I'm a pirate. If you haven't had a chance to use Snap Camera, it's got some great filters. So, today we are looking at getting a little deeper with Scratch yet. I know we got pretty far yesterday, so today let's go a little further. Yesterday we left off, we had our shape drawn in a multitude of color using the pen extension, and today what we're going to do is we're going to pull in another character to actually ask some questions so we can see, so students can get that immediate feedback. See if I'm right see if they've got their learning right. So let's check that out. I'm just going to move my little pirate man over here and show you. Anytime you want to add a character, you just click choose sprite and it'll pop up in here, and this is where you'll see all the sprites that are involved in your program. You can change their size, where they are, all those things right here. You can show them or hide them, it's up to you. And what I'm going to do is actually show you how to pull them in. So all I did different today with our cat that we left yesterday was I had him hide at the end of drawing the program so we could see the shape, and then I had the sprite send out a message, just message one, and this message just gets sent out to the whole program. And if you have another sprite or another backdrop, you can have them receive the message. And when this message happens, something happens to them. So when the game starts or the program starts running, the centaur hides. We don't see him. He's not there. But when he receives message one, boom, he shows up. So that's all under look. So that's using messaging to have characters pop in and out when you need them. It works really well for storytelling. If you have new characters coming into a scene, it's just awesome. And I've used it with grade 2 and they get it. It makes sense to them. So I encourage you to play with it. Then all I did was I started using the questions. So under sensing, they have different questions that you can ask, and it's going to sense if the answer is right. So it asks, how long is the teal line? And if, under control, the answer equals 3, we put that into an operator. If the answer equals 3, the centaur tells them, yeah, it's 3. That's awesome. Otherwise, it says, not quite. It's 3. So they still learn, oh, yeah, they count it up. It's 3. And we do that with each of the lines. We have 4 questions like that. Right-click, duplicate. You can make a copy of any code that you've already written, so you don't have to do it again and again and again. It's a lot faster. Then we ask a final question. I give a little hint. Psst, 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. And then we ask, hey, how many squares long is the whole perimeter? Because perimeter is length, right? So hint, add them all up. The answer equals 18. Perfect. Yeah, it's 18 if they say 18. Otherwise, try again. I got 18, so they can do that again. And then we leave them with a final message. So by finding each side length and adding them together, we get our perimeter, 18. And then I left them with a little challenge. So I'm just going to run the whole program, show you how it works, and then tomorrow we're going to go a little bit deeper and say how we can make it gamified, add a score. Yar, I hope you're ready for it. Welcome to our lesson today on using Scratch with your voice. My name is Cameron, and we are going to do a tunnel. It's like a fence. It goes around. How many spaces does it take to go around your entire shape? Now, one thing I've realized in running this program is that my voice goes on way too long. So I will go back and edit that. That's why you play it a few times. But I like that it pauses here and waits for an answer. So how many squares long is the teal line? 3. Yeah, it's 3. Now I'm going to get the next one wrong. 2. Not quite. It's 3. 6. Ah, yes, 6. And 6. Give a little hint. Type in our answer. It's 18. So challenge yourself. Can you create your own program that asks for perimeter? See what you can do today while you try to draw different shapes, count up their lengths, and put them all together. And that'll help you get perimeter. Good luck. Yar, so that's our whole lesson on this. Tomorrow we go a little deeper. Thank you for taking the time to learn with us today. I really appreciate it.